Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best tap extractors that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Tap Extractors. Here at Zorro, we have a range of tap extractors that are ideal for removing broken taps. This can sometimes occur when you're tapping and too much force is applied. We have a variety of sizes, including 2, 3, and 4 flute. You may also be interested in our other tool room and maintenance ranges, which include screw extractors and nut splitters, as well as scrapers, picks, and hooks. Number 5. Oria Damaged Screw Tap Extractor Set. The screw remover set comes with an essential toolkit box. It's very convenient to put it into your bag or take it anywhere you want. You can easily remove any strip screw in 10 seconds or less. Main features: easy to use, high quality, wide usages. Number 4. Topec 35-piece Screw Tap Extractor Set. Spiral flute extractors are perfect for common fasteners. The multi-spline extractors are useful for higher torque, while the bolt extractors are for freeing partly exposed fasteners. Main features: high quality materials, wide range of applications, high carbon steel. Number 3. Topec 25 pieces Screw Tap Extractor Set. The Easy Out Extractor Set contains 25 different sizes, each with an eye-catching size mark, which quickly selects the right drill bit. We will be in touch within 24 hours. Main features: premium material, multi-application, 100% warranty. Number 2. Damaged Screw Tap Extractor Kit. The must-have tool for any handyman, car or boat mechanic, contractor, carpenter, woodworker, with screws and bolts. You know how frustrating it can be to try to remove a broken. Main features: easy to use, apply to all drills, 100% money-back guarantee. Number 1. Damaged Screw Tap Extractor Set. The stripped screw extractor kit includes 20 pieces of stripped screw extractor in 10 different sizes to satisfy all you demand. Suitable for any sizes screw or bolt. Suitable for Allen bolts. Main features: made of high quality, durable and easily multi-purpose. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.